Well, hello everyone. It's Donna. How are you doing today? So I'm here for a fairly quick video, I guess, to discuss rotary cutters. I mean, if you're a quilter or a sewer for a long time, chances are you have a rotary cutter. I mean, these two I've had since, I don't know, probably the mid 90s. I've cut carpet with this. This one I've cut screening with. They all have seen a lot of use. I think this one might have been given to me, but love them, hate them. You're about to see why I have a favorite. I don't care what brand it. Well, I do care because I can only speak to one brand, and I'm not even sure if the ones they make today are as good as the ones they used to make. But say I cut with this and I lay it down, that thing's open. I cut with this, I lay it down, it's open. I cut with this. If I don't do that, it's open. If I cut with this, if I don't do that, it's open. Oops, let me shut these before I cut myself. I mean, how many times have you reached down and maybe started to grab it and then realized at the last second that your rotary blade was open? This one looks very similar to this, doesn't it? Your rotary blade is open. For a safety point, I like this one. It is pressure sensitive. I don't have to close anything. It's left. It's right-handed. You can use it up. I mean, I've never done it that way, but you can. And for somebody like me, it's a safety thing. I don't have to remember to close it. Even if I set it down just for a second to adjust a template or something, I don't have to worry that if I pick this up, that I'm going to cut myself. That is why I love a pressure-sensitive rotary cutter. Now, changing the blades, it's about the same as changing it for this one. And this one, except this one has this added piece you kind of have to worry about other than just the screw. It's about the same. It's about the same. And it's about the same. Now, one thing I also like about this is it's got a setting on here where you can say soft pressure, in the center is like medium, and you can get a hard pressure where you have to press really, really hard. But it's a safety issue, and if you have a quilter in your life, especially an older quilter that sometimes accidentally cuts themselves, or it is a safety thing, and that's why I prefer this over any other one. And I will tell you, I have not seen a blade that has been made from Harbor Freight to I think it's Dymo, the one that the place Moso, I guess, used to sell. I don't know if they sell them on Amazon or not. Fisker's work. I know that Ofa work. I mean, why not? It's a safety thing. So for the quilter in your life, or if you love your hands and don't want to slice them open, do yourself a favor. I don't think they're that much. In fact, when I was kind of looking, I think I saw some Olfas maybe. I don't know. I don't know if they're eBay or what. They might have been right around 30. This one, the new style, I think I saw one for less than $10, but I wouldn't do that. There's one for like 24 that looks good, you know. But invest in yourself and invest in your hands. You only got one set of them, so don't make a trip to the emergency room if you don't have to. And with that, I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.